Question 19. A man pays 60 cents for every meter cube of gas used. So it's basically $0.6 per every 200 meter cube. 200 cubic meters of gas used, plus a fixed charge of $13.75. Okay, good. How much does he pay when he uses 55,000 cubic meters of gas? Alright, it's some sort of gas. Not gasoline. You know, you have three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. So in this case, it's some sort of gas that is used. Because you know, gasoline is measured in liters. This is cubic meter. Now let us see what happens here. He's going to pay. How much does he pay? He's going to pay $13.75. That's a fixed charge. Alright? Plus, so let us see something here. He pays $0.6 per 200 meter cube. I must multiply by the number of meter cube, 55,000 meter cube. Notice meter cube cancels meter cube, right? Leaving only the dollar over this side, and this is dollar. I'm going to use this method to do the calculation to find out. So here we have $13.75 plus, we know that there are two 100 in 200, and there are 550 100 in 550. So this is 0.6 over 2 times 550. You know, there is 1 2 in 2. When you cancel here, you have 0.32s in 0.6. In other words, 2 into 0.6 is 0.3. So it's $13.75 plus 0.3 by 550. So here now, it's going to be 0.3 by 550. If you have 550 multiply by 0.3, let's multiply this by 10 and divide this by 10. It's like you have 55 by 3. If you multiply 0.3 by 10, you have 3. And if you divide 55 by 10, if you divide 550 by 10, you have 55. So here, these will cancel out. Dividing by 10 and multiply by 10, you don't have to do anything else here. 3, 5, 15, bring down the 5, carry 1, 3, 5, 15, and 1, 16. 165. So it's 165 plus $13.75. You have 165.00 plus 13.75. 5 plus 0 is 5. 7 plus 0 is 7. 5 and 3, 8. Right? You could get the answer from early, you know. It ends with a 75. So you could see that it would be D. But let's finish the question, working it out. 6 and 1, 7. 1 and 0, 1. So 178, 75. So that would be D. Now, let's backtrack a bit and look again at our reasoning in coming up with the working, and look at it from a slightly different angle. We have $0.6 in every 200 meter cube, right? he buys 55,000 meter cube. How many $0.6 will he have to spend? You want to know how many 200 meter cubes are in 55,000 meter cube. That will give you how many $0.6 that he will spend. Right? Plus he will have to pay $13.75. That's another way of reasoning out how we get this value. So you do your calculation. 100 into 200 is 200 into 55,000 is 550. And then 2 into 2, 1. 2 into 0.6 is 0.3. So you have 0.3 by 550 plus 13.75. See that? And then we want just whole numbers. So 0.3 by 10 times 550 divided by 10 plus 13.75. The reason why I multiply 0.3 by 10 is that I want 3. I can't deal with the point business because I don't have a calculator. You don't use calculator in paper 1. If you multiply this by 10 and also you divide this by 10, that takes care of itself. 550 divided by 10 is 55. So it's 3 by 55 plus 13.75. Now you could see from early that this will give you a whole number. You're not going to have any point. And then the 13.75 shows that the answer will end with a 0.75. Right? And you will see that it's B already. You can see the answer from early before you even finish working it out. But let's just work with this. 3 by 55. We did it already, but let's do it again. 3, 5, 15, bring down the 5, carry 1, 3, 5, 15, and 1, 16. So it's 165 plus 13.75. So let's line up everything. Alright, 5 plus 0 is 5, 7 plus 0 is 7, 0.5 and 3, 8, 6 and 1, 7, 1 and 0, 1, 178, 75. Alright? Okay, so hope you got this. I'll see you in the next video.